Ever wondered if it's possible to really earn money by taking surveys? Well, the answer is yes, but it's not as simple as it may seem. There's no shortage of websites promising easy cash for your opinion, but not all are created equal. Some are legitimate, while others are nothing more than scams. Let's begin with Swagbucks. This platform offers a multitude of ways to earn, not limited to taking surveys. You can also earn by watching videos or shopping online. It's a flexible, user-friendly site that allows you to earn at your own pace. Next up is Survey Junkie. This platform acts as a bridge, connecting users with companies seeking valuable consumer opinions. By completing surveys, users gain points, which can later be converted into cash or gift cards. It's all about giving your opinion and getting rewarded for it. Then we have Vindale Research, a platform that pays users for taking part in surveys and various market research activities. It's a straightforward way to earn extra income, simply by sharing your thoughts on certain products or services. Pinecone Research is another noteworthy site. As a well-established player in the survey field, they pay users for giving their opinions on a variety of products and services. It's a simple, yet effective way to make your voice heard and get compensated for it. Valued Opinions is a platform that rewards users with gift cards for completing surveys on a plethora of topics. It's an easy way to earn rewards, all while giving your opinion on topics you're interested in. Finally, there's MTurk, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform, created by Amazon, allows you to complete a variety of tasks, including surveys, for payment. It's a flexible platform that lets you earn at your own pace. Now, remember, it's crucial to tread carefully when venturing into the world of online surveys. Always do your research before signing up for any survey site. Legitimate survey companies will never ask you to pay to participate. Additionally, it could be beneficial to set up a separate email address for survey sign-ups to avoid clogging your primary inbox with potential spam. It's important to keep in mind that while these surveys can provide a way to earn some extra money, they are unlikely to provide a substantial income. They are more suited as a supplementary source of income or a way to earn gift cards. So while the world of online surveys can be a rewarding one, it's crucial to approach it with the right expectations and a healthy dose of caution.